Hello there. Do you want to learn English but don't quite know where to begin? Don't worry, you're not alone. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through simple, effective steps to learn English faster, smarter, and with confidence. Let's get started. Step 1. Focus on listening. Before you can speak English well, you need to hear it a lot. Listening trains your brain to recognize sounds, rhythm, and pronunciation. Start small, children's shows, short YouTube lessons, or podcasts for learners. You can even listen while traveling, cleaning, or exercising. Turn on subtitles at first, then try listening without them. With time, your ears will get used to the sound of English, and your understanding will grow naturally. Step 2. Start speaking early. Many learners wait until they feel ready, but that day never comes. Start speaking now, even if it's just to yourself. Describe what you're doing. I'm making breakfast. I'm walking to work. Or record short voice notes on your phone and listen back. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. The key is to speak a little every single day. Step 3. Learn the right words. English has over 1 million words, but you don't need them all. Focus on the most common 2,000 words. They appear in almost 80% of everyday conversations. And always learn words in phrases, not alone. Say make a decision, catch a bus, or take a break. That's how native speakers use them naturally.
Step 4. Read and write daily. Reading and writing strengthen your grammar and vocabulary. Start with short, simple stories, blog posts, or news for learners. After reading, write something about it, even 2 or 3 sentences, or keep a short English diary. For example, today I listened to an English podcast. I learned 3 new words. This helps you think in English and improves your confidence over time. Step 5. Live in English. Don't just study English. Live in it. Change your phone's language to English. Think in English when planning your day. Follow English creators on social media. Watch your favorite shows without subtitles. The more English becomes part of your daily life, the faster you'll improve, without even realizing it. And there you have it, your simple guide to learning English step by step. Let's quickly recap. Listen every day. Speak early and often. Learn useful words and phrases. Read and write regularly. And most importantly, live in English. Keep practicing, stay patient, and you'll surprise yourself with how far you go. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning English too. See you next time.